In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a watch list on TradingView. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned investor, having a well-organized watch list can make monitoring market trends and your favorite stocks much easier. Let's dive into how you can efficiently set up your very own watch list on TradingView. First, you'll want to navigate to the right-hand side of your TradingView chart. Here, you'll find a panel that houses several useful tools. What you're looking for is the watch list icon. It's typically depicted as a list, perhaps alongside some details and news icons. Go ahead and give it a click. This action will open up your watch list menu, setting the stage for everything that's to come. Now, once you've accessed the watch list menu, you'll notice a drop-down arrow at the top. This is your gateway to creating a brand new list. By selecting Create New List, you can start from scratch, which is especially useful if you have specific assets you want to follow closely. Enter a name for your list, something that will help you easily identify it in the future, and then make sure to click Save. Congratulations, you now have your own custom watch list. With your list created, it's time to populate it with symbols. Look for the plus sign in your new watch list. This is where the magic happens. Click it, and a field will open up where you can type in the ticker symbols of assets you wish to track. For example, if you're interested in Tesla, type TSLA and hit Enter, or click the plus icon to add it to your list. Feel free to repeat this process to add more symbols until your watch list is just the way you like it. Having multiple watch lists is an excellent way to keep various markets or particular trading strategies separate. You can create as many custom lists as you want, and switching between them is a breeze. Just use the drop-down menu in the watch list panel. This flexibility means you can have a list for, say, tech stocks and another for commodities, making it easier to track different sectors without clutter. Once you've got several symbols in your newly created list, you might feel the need to rearrange them. No worries. You can click and drag individual symbols or entire sections to reorder them based on your preferences. This feature allows for optimal organization and lets you keep your most watched assets front and center. In summary, setting up a watch list on TradingView is straightforward and provides an adaptable way to track various assets. From creating custom lists to adding and organizing symbols, you'll have the tools you need to stay on top of market movements. Remember, your watch list is there to serve you, so tailor it to fit your personal trading style and needs. Happy trading, and thanks for watching.